The answer is yes. You can definitely use the 7 Minute Life Digital Daily Planner right on your computer. You do not have to have an iPad to use much of the functionality. I'm going to show you how to download the digital planner and how you can get started. If you're not familiar with digital planning allows you to use the hyperlinks inside of a PDF so that you can move from month to month. You can go back and forth with tools that are designed to help you plan. You'll see that I'm just using my mouse to click on the various tools inside the digital planner. So if you're excited about learning how you can get started with digital planning right on your computer, then let's dive in. First things first, you're going to go to the 7 Minute Life Etsy store. You're going to see a page that looks something like this, and you're going to click on the digital planner. It's going to open into where it'll give you a little bit more information about the planner. This comes with a quick start guide, so we're going to help you get started. Beyond just what you think a digital planner will do, we have a lot more than just calendaring tools. You're going to see information about how to create a life plan, how to discover your purpose in life, how to plan on a daily basis. This is the secret sauce of the 7 Minute Life, finding out how you can focus on the top 5 things before 11 o'clock. But all of these tools, most people have thought you had to have an iPad to use them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can absolutely use a digital planner straight on your computer. You're going to add the digital planner to your cart. You're going to check out, proceed to check out, and once you check out, you're going to receive a link in your profile to download the digital planner. And that download link is going to look like this. You're going to receive a PDF that says, "We're excited that you purchased the 7 Minute Life Daily Planner. To use your planner immediately, please download it using this link." And so when you click on this link, it's going to immediately open up the digital planner inside a Google Drive. You're then going to download the planner, and you're going to download it to your computer. Once it opens on your computer, now I'm working on a Mac, so you see that it just downloaded into my downloads folder. I'm going to click on my downloads folder and open the digital planner. And now that the digital planner is open, you have all of the functionality that you would have in the iPad, except for one thing. You can't write on it unless you have a stylus. But let's take a look and see what you can do. The beauty of a digital planner is that it's really just a hyperlinked PDF. And what do I mean by hyperlink? If I want to look at the calendar, the full year, do you see the tab 2025? When I click on that, it takes me directly into the PDF and it finds the annual calendar at a glance. If I want to use these tabs to navigate month by month, I can click on January. It's going to take me into the monthly calendar. If I want to go to February, I click on February and it takes me into February. In addition to the monthly calendar, there is also a weekly view. So if I want to have the ability to plan my work week a week at a time, I can just click on the weekly recommendations. I'm going to go back to the monthly calendar and I'm going to share with you the secret sauce of the 7 Minute Life Daily Planner is that we really help you plan every day. The daily progress report is a whole different video, but you can see just by looking at this that if you ask yourself a question, what is my goal for today? And you start looking at the ability to create a to-do list and to transfer that information to what are the 5 most important things I will do for today, you can see that this is a daily planning gold mine. But today I'm just showing you how you can use the hyperlinks on your computer. In addition to the hyperlinks for the months, There's also a hyperlink for planning your day 15 minutes at a time. Now, this is a 15-minute increment worksheet. It takes it from 5 a.m. all the way down to 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. We also have a space for notes where you can highlight notes of any kind, and the daily progress report. Now, when you're using this, instead of being able to write on it, unless you have a stylist, you're going to go File, Print, and you're not going to print the entire planner. You're going to print the current page, which is this. The current page is going to download and allow you to print one page at a time. You should hear it go in just a second. The downloadable functionality allows you to download the daily progress report as a printed PDF, and the print function allows you to print a downloadable version of the daily progress report so you can actually use a regular pen or piece of paper to write on it. There is so much more that's included. In addition to all of the productivity tools, we're going to teach you the 7-step process of planning. You're going to have access to just simple to-do lists if you want that. You can use storyboards to plan out what you have. You can use our mind maps. All of these tools are included in the digital planner. Again, if you want to print out the mind map, you just go to the index, go down to where it says mind map of action. Click on that, it brings you into this. Then again, if you want to use that, you would go File, Print. You don't want to print the entire document. You want to print the current file and click Print. And you'll have a print copy of the mind map. What you're seeing is that all of the functionality that you have in a digital planner on your iPad is available on your computer. The only difference is that unless you have a stylus with your PC, you'll need to download the printed versions and write on them with a physical pen. But why is this such an important thing? Is that the 7-Minute Life Digital Daily Planner has access to life planning worksheets. As it's a new year, you're going to want to start with some kind of time management and life management assessment. What a wonderful thing to be able to go through and ask questions that really do make a difference. The next page, who are you today? And then as you're looking at your life, who do you want to be? The next piece is, what are you most grateful for? Look at all of these tools that are included in the 7-Minute Life Digital Daily Planner. Again, when it's time to prioritize your values, you're just going to go File, click Print. Make sure you just print the current page, and you'll be able to download this worksheet and go through them step by step. And now that you've seen how you can use the 7-Minute Life Digital Daily Planner with all of the hyperlinks on your computer, the very next step is to get started. I want to encourage you to get your copy of the digital planner, put it on your computer, begin to download the tools so you can plan your day and plan your life. So yes, you really can use the digital planner on your computer. I'm so glad you're here. We want to help you with your time management skills. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment. It really helps us. I'll see you in the next video.